Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways, just to set some context here. But a very, very impressive bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about that, just yesterday the price was all the way down there. Now the price has bounced all the way back up there. Definitely a very, very impressive movement. But now it definitely leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the $10 mark. Now, why is $10 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $10. If the price were to come down to 10 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be quite literally putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price were to come down here, and in this situation, behave like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $10. What about areas of resistance going forward? Well, at this point, very straightforward. It is all about that pink line right there, which on my chart represents the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average. And you can see that's essentially where the price has had lots of issues. Not an issue in terms of breaking up above it, because as you see there, the price actually did get up above that pink line several times. But when it comes to staying up above it, that's where the problems have arisen. So continue to watch that pink line going forward. Again, the 200 period moving average, which as of right now is valued right there at the $13 mark. But nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon the momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.